Today, you're gonna learn how to perform a Touzani around the world. It's one of the slickest, smoothest soccer skills you're ever gonna learn, and this is how it's done. Before we get into it, obviously there's a ton of Touzani around the world tutorials out there, most made by freestyle footballers that are a lot better at this skill than me. The reason I'm making this video is that, first off, when I saw the move, I loved it, I wanted to practice it. But I realized that it takes a ton of practice to get good at some of these skills, especially Touzani around the world. I loved that it required me to improve my balance, coordination, and just focus and concentration. And if you really want to master this skill, it's going to take time, it's going to take effort, it's going to take practice, and you're going to fail a lot. I encourage you to put the work in and you'll master it in no time. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, I'm going to share with you 3 keys to unlocking your ability to master the Touzani around the world. Key number 1, Touzani around the world is a combo skill made up of 2 fundamental skills, that being an outside around the world and a crossover. Let's break this skill down. First and foremost, outside around the world. We're tapping the ball with the outside part of our foot and wrapping our foot around the ball like so. All right, second skill is the crossover. We have our dominant leg, mine being my right here, juggling the ball. We're gonna tap it up straight in the air. I'm going to wrap my opposite foot, wrapping my left, around the ball and jump up and then retrieve it with my dominant leg in the air, like this. Jump up. So we're crossing over with our left leg, hitting the ball straight back up with our right. We're gonna add a touch in between the 2 skills just to get comfortable combining them. Once you get comfortable with that, take out the touch in between and perform your Touzani around the world. Outside around the world, straight into a crossover. Tip number 2, make sure when you're performing the outside around the world to kick the ball straight up vertically, not to the side of your body. It's gonna help you perform the crossover after performing the outside around the world. If it's too far to either side of your body, you're not gonna have the balance and coordination to perform the crossover after the outside around the world. Tip number 3 is to time that jump off your standing leg. So while performing the outside around the world, when your foot gets about halfway to 3/4 of the way around the ball, you're gonna wanna explode off that standing leg, get some height in order to perform that crossover. The timing and feeling of the trick will come just through repetition, so get the practice in, you'll get it in no time. There you guys have it, that's the video. Hopefully you liked it, hopefully this helps you master the Touzani around the world. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Before we go, I got a challenge for you. If you've mastered it with the big ball, can you do it with the small ball? Can you do it with a tennis ball? Almost. See you in the next one. Peace.